Asset management has changed a lot over recent years. The systems asset managers use, not so much. Your investor relations teams are still relying on legacy platforms which are heavily customized, overly manual, and don't actually match how your business works. The systems are hard to use, the data sits in silos, and you don't have a single view of your investor relationships. Communications, reporting, deal tracking, they all live in different places. Your team deserves better than an outdated CRM. They deserve something which is built from the ground up for asset management. We at City Dynamics have created one connected platform which leverages AI and gives the power back to its users. With our help, you'll have easy access to and clear visibility on all of your investor data, communications, compliance, and reporting. Modern investor relations starts with smarter technology. Get in touch with us to learn more about Dynamics 365 CRM for asset management.